Brussels sprouts! One of my favorite vegetables. The longer you cook them, the more they taste like cabbage. And because I like Brussels sprouts, today we're gonna slice them thinly and do a very quick stir fry with a piece of ribeye. So, first, we sear the beef. Salt, pepper, same to the other side. All right, hot pan, vegetable oil, and the shimmering steak goes in, lay it away from you. All right, while the steak is cooking, we prep the sprouts. Very simple. You want to slice them into maybe 5 slices. You can use a mandolin for this if you want, but I just like to play with sprouts. It's kind of the whole point of this dish. They don't have to be wafer thin. You just want to make sure they cook quickly. Check on the steak. Looks good, very nice browning. Get a bit of oil around it, get it started. Now we finish the sprouts. All right, last one. We kind of have to, right? No! Check on our steak. Looking very good. Let it rest while we add the sprouts. Bit of salt, black pepper, not black bell. Just want to let it char a bit before even moving them. We want that nuttiness to come through. All right, now we can. Oh, that browning is beautiful, huh? Very beautiful. Oh, you can smell the nuttiness now. It's so beautiful. Just a tiny bit more. I'm just evening out the layers so they get more browning out of it. I think we're there. Now, to plate. Very simple. We form a bed with the Brussels sprouts. Steak goes on top. Of course, juices go here. Just a dash before carving. All right, and then very simple, we carve. Beautifully pink. Spinalis dorsi, my favorite part. So you go straight on this beautiful bed. And weekday dinner doesn't get any better. And this is ribeye steak on a bed of stir-fried Brussels sprouts. I really hope you enjoy. Really doesn't get better though, come on. Weekday meal, how long? 5, 10,